Good morning, dear students. Today we will continue the chapter Jugs and Mugs. In our previous video, we have learnt how to convert liters into milliliters. Today we will learn how to convert milliliters into liters. To convert milliliters into liters and milliliters, we will divide the given quantity by 1000. As we are aware that whenever we want to convert smaller unit into bigger unit, we always divide. And here 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So we will divide the given quantity of milliliter by 1000. To understand this concept, let's solve some example based on this concept. Our first example is we have to convert 7000 milliliters into liters. We know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So to convert 7000 milliliters into liters, we will divide 7000 by 1000. Let's solve the sum. 7000 divided by 1000. We will do working this side. 7000 divided by 1000. 1000 sevens are 7000. So 7 will be a quotient and 0 will be a remainder. This quotient will be our answer. So when we will divide 7000 by 1000, we will get 7, and this 7 is liter. So when we divide 7000 milliliter by 1000, we will get 7 as our answer. Our answer will be 7 liters. Let's solve one more example. In this example, we have to convert 12,200 milliliters into liters and milliliters. So as we know, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So we will divide 12,200 by 1000. We will do working this side. 12,200 divided by 1000. 1000 ones are 1000. We will subtract 0, 2, 2, 0. We will put down this 0. Now 1000 twos are 2000. Then we will subtract again 0, 0, 2, 0. We have nothing to put down, so we will see what is the quotient. In this question, our quotient is 12 and remainder is 200. So what will be our answer? The quotient will be our liter and remainder will be our milliliter. So when we convert 12,200 milliliters into liters and milliliters, we will get 12 liter and 200 milliliters as our answer. We will solve one more example based on this concept. Here we have to convert 34,050 milliliters into liters and milliliters. So as we know, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So we will divide 34,050 milliliters by 1000. We will do working this side. 34,050 milliliters divided by 1000. 1000 threes are 3000. We will subtract 5040. We will put down this 0. Now 12, we have 1000. 1000 fours are 4000. We will subtract again 5. So when we will divide 34,050 by 1000, we will get 34 as our quotient and 50 as a remainder. This quantity is our liter and this quantity is our milliliters. So when we convert 34,050 milliliters into liters and milliliters, we will get 34 liters and 50 milliliters as a answer. So dear students, try to solve these sums by this method. Have a good day.